हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सभी को राधे राधे। तो हाउ आर यू? हाउ वाज द डे टुडे? फाइन. My day is also fine because in my school today is a writing competition, and writing competition is a best because uh, at time every student is not focus on their writing. They not focus on writing enough. They not focus on their study because they think that how study is useful, because they easily anything is find out by phone, AI, you know very well. So let it go. So I will start. I will sharing a topic. This is my English speaking source book. Today I am purchased. This is the English speaking sources book because the when we search anything in the IM phone, Chat GPT, Google, everything. But I think कि every book is more important than phone and other apps, because this book is every topic is clear, you see. And I daily one topic with highlight to share this topic, because their topic is a very essential for speaking English speaking. And I think English speaking is needed more and more practice, and that practice not depend on the phone and AI options वगैरह, and that is only depend on your hard work, your notes, your practice, and again practice and practice and practice. That practice is enough, because practice make perfect, you and me. So that is enough, and that time is my start to my housework, because my daily routine is very busy, because my school timing is changing before 8, and then my time is changes 7:30 a.m. and I wake up at the 5 a.m. and my housework is fast at the morning time. Every means eating food, making food, washing clothes, housework or worship, everything is 5 to 7:30, and I am so tired. And today is Saturday, but I am not relieved in tomorrow, because in tomorrow my father-in-law is weekly come one time in my house, because they live in their company, because the company is very long distance in my house. So Sunday is a more hard for Monday to Saturday, because only Monday to Saturday only two time cooking food on Monday and night time, and but the Sunday time is three times, Monday afternoon and evening, because my father-in-law is coming to making a new food for my father-in-law and my husband. So they are very busy schedule, and in this schedule we find out time for reading book, making notes and making videos is very hard. But life is equal to struggle. Struggle means life, and life is a struggle. So that is enough in this video. So like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.